2-3. He's running east. He's running southbound. You better stop right now! Move. Yeah, stop. Everyone stop. Slow down. Pick the baby up. I got the baby. Okay. 2-3 shots fired. Okay. Slow down. Are you okay? Are you okay? Yep. Yourself, please!
I heard a gunshot. Boom. Immediately after that, there was a storm of police officers going in. Then a baby was brought out.
Strider Wegener shot this video on his cell phone. Seattle police officers comfort a baby as sirens wail in the background.
The police officers were holding her.
Man was attacking a woman at a Rainier playfield in Seattle. Turns out police say the man had been beating the woman all day, first at a Des Moines motel before moving to the playfield. When officers got to the scene, they say the suspect was still beating the woman. She broke away and ran. That's when SPD says the suspect shot at a car, took the woman's 1-year-old child, and ran. After 30 minutes, they found him in an alley trying to get inside a building. That's when police shot the suspect and rescued the child. Wegener, a criminal defense attorney, says he usually hears the side of the suspects, but this time he saw it.
Watching how they went into action today and seeing it first person was really, really impactful. I'm just thankful that they're